Okay, so we wanted to talk about the system's nonlinear equations in two variables in this section. And so what will we do? We will recognize systems of nonlinear equations. It's not only linear anymore, it's in two variables. Then we wanted to solve by substitution or addition. And then solve the application questions of the nonlinear equations. Okay, so a system with two nonlinear equations in two variables is called a nonlinear system. Contains at least one equation that cannot be expressed in the form of ax plus by equal to c. So if all these things are in the form of ax plus by equal to c, that's linear system, yeah. So a solution of the nonlinear system in two variables is ordered pair, such that it satisfies both equations. It's the same as before. So okay, so as in before, so the solution is also corresponding to the intersection of the graph of the equations in the system. Okay, so for this one, okay, so x squared equal to what? Y minus 1. 4x minus 1 equal to what? Negative 1. So when you just look at this, yeah, do you want to solve x? No, it's too much, yeah. Okay, so then what do you want to do? Maybe substitute y, because you only have, when could you use substitution? When the variable, the coefficient of the variable is what? 1, yeah. So what will we have? Y equal to what? X squared plus 1. So y equal to x squared plus 1. Then what will you do? Substitute this y equal to x squared plus 1 into the other equation. So you have 4x minus x squared plus 1 equal to negative 1. Okay, so you get this. Then what should we do from here? You have to distribute the negative sign, and then combine like term. And typically we wanted to keep the x squared term to be positive, so 0 equal to x squared minus 4x. And then you can use factoring x times x minus 4 equals 0, x equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals 0 or x equal to 4. Okay, and because what do we want for the solution? We wanted the ordered pair. So this means for x equal to 0, you have to find your y. So what is y again? Y equal to x squared plus 1, yeah? So y equal to 1. And y equal to 4 squared plus 1. That is 17. You with me? So this is how you get y equal to 1, y equal to 17. Okay, so what will be the ordered pair? 0, 1, 4, 17. Okay, it's not 0, 4 is a pair. So it's your x and the corresponding y is the ordered pair. Okay, so this is how you get it here. Okay, so you can check. How could you check? You have to substitute 0, 1 into both of the equations. Then it's true. If it's true, then 0, 1 is the solution. Then you plug 4, 17 into both of these equations again. And if it's true, then it's a solution. Okay, so this is solve a typical nonlinear system by substitution method. Okay, so the next one is 3x squared plus 2y squared, 4x squared plus 3y squared equal to 48. Okay, so what should we do from here? So you all have x squared and y squared here, yeah? Okay, so then what do we want it to do? We wanted either eliminate x squared or y squared. Okay, so maybe y squared is a little bit smaller, yeah, the coefficient. So we wanted to eliminate this, yeah. So what do we wanted to do to eliminate? We want to find the least common multiple, yeah, 2 and 3. So this one you multiply 3, and then this one you multiply negative 2. So what will you get? 9x squared plus 6y squared equal to 105, and then what? Negative 8x squared minus 6y squared equal to negative 96. Then what will you do? You add them. Okay, so what do you have? X squared equal to 9. Okay, the next part is the most important part. What will be x? It's 3, yeah? No, that's wrong. Okay, so x equal to plus or minus 3. Be super careful. So it's not 3, it's plus or minus 3. Okay, so then what will you do? So case 1, what will you do? When x equal to 3, yeah, you wanted to find what? Y, yeah? So what will you do? Substitute x equal to 3 in 3x squared plus what? 2y squared equal to what? 35. So what do we have? 3 times 3 squared times 9 plus 2y squared equal to what? 35. You with me? 27, 2y squared equal to 8, y squared equal to 4. So what is y again? Plus or minus 2. Are you with me? So what are the points? So it's what? 3, 2, or 3, negative 2. Are you guys with me? So this is the case 1. Okay, so this is very important, and I will need a black page. Okay, so what will you do for case 2? When x equal to what? Negative 3. Then what will you do? Substitute x equal to negative 3 into the 3x squared plus 2y squared equal to 35. Okay, so negative 3 squared plus 2y squared equal to what? 35. Are you with me? So this is still 9, so you have 27 plus 2y squared equal to what? 35. Okay, so you have 2y squared equal to 8, y squared equal to what? 4, y equal to plus or minus 2 again. So what are these points? Is negative 3, 2, or negative 3, what? Negative 2. Are you with me? So how many solutions do you have? 3, 2, 3, negative 2, negative 3, 2, and negative 3, negative 2. So you have 4 solutions, and then you can check. Okay, so for here, what will you check? Only check one of them. Okay, so when you can check 3, 2. Okay, so what will you do? You put the 3 square plus 2 square equal to 35. So you have 27 plus 8 equal to 35. So true for this part. And then you have 3, you have 4 3 square plus 3 2 square equal to 48. So 4 times 9 plus 3 times 4 equal to 48. 36 plus 12 is 48 equal to 48. True. With me? So check this. And then you can check the following: 3, negative 2, negative 3, 2, and negative 3, negative 2. What are the most important thing? Do not forget plus or minus. Okay, so a lot of students will lose so many solutions because they forget plus or minus here. That's very important. Okay, this is the in the book it's also following this thing. So application question, okay? So what will be the application? Find the length and the width of a rectangular whose perimeter is 20 feet and whose area is 21 square feet. Yeah, so you let x to be the length of the rectangle and y to be the width of the rectangle, yeah? So what means perimeter? Means all four sides together, yeah? So you have x, x, y, y, yeah? So it's x, x plus y, y. So it's 2x plus 2y equal to 20. And the area is what? Length times width. Yeah, so this is length times width. This is area. Yeah, so because you have x plus y means equal to 20, yeah? Area is length times width, yeah? You with me? Okay, so you get this, yeah? So what should we do to solve this? Okay, so 2x plus 2y equal to 20, you can divide by 2 on all three sides. You have x plus y equal to 10. Then what could we do from here? We can use what? Substitution, because what happens here? The coordinate of x and y is what? Only 1, so you can use substitution to get it. So what will you do? Isolate x or y. X equal to 10 minus y. Substituting into the equation 2, second equation. You have 10 minus y equal to this. 10y minus y squared equal to 21. Then you remove every term on the other side, yeah? So it becomes y squared minus 10y plus 21 equal to what? 0. Then what will you do? You wanted two numbers multiply together equal to 21 and add together equal to negative 10. So it's negative 3, negative 7, yeah? So y minus 3, y minus 7 equal to 0. Then let each part equal to 0 here, yeah? So y minus 3 equal to 0 or y minus 7 equal to 0. So y equal to 3 or y equal to what? 7. So when y equal to 3, what will be x? X will be equal to 10 minus y, because from here is 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So 7, 3. X will be, when y equal to 7, x equal to 10 minus 7, 3. So we have the length and the width is 1 is 7, y is what? 3. Okay, 1 is 7, y is 3. And you can also check your answer, yeah? So, you can also check your answer to make sure that it satisfies both of the equations, yeah? Okay, so that is a application question. Okay, so the book uses a different method. I do not like this method that much because what happens, you have a lot of work. Yeah, so because you have fractions and you have quadratic equation that is pretty hard. Okay, you can read the method here, or you can use my method. Okay, so that's the end of this